Let me ask you something. What if I told you that the way most American truck and SUV owners treat their vehicles in winter is literally cutting years off their engine life, rotting out their frame, and costing them thousands of dollars in repairs they never saw coming? And the craziest part? Most of these mistakes are things people do every single day, thinking they're actually helping their truck. Yeah, we need to talk. Welcome back to Car Care Garage, the channel where we keep more money in your wallet and more miles on your odometer. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell so you never miss a video. We drop practical, no-nonsense car care content every week. And today we're breaking down the 10 stupid mistakes that are absolutely destroying your truck or SUV this winter. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, and this one kills me every time I see it, is warming up your engine for 10, 15, 20 minutes before you drive. I know. Your dad did it. Your granddad did it. It feels like the right thing to do. But here's the truth. Modern fuel-injected engines, which is basically every truck built after the mid-1990s, do not need a long warm-up. In fact, when you let your truck idle for that long in the cold, unburned fuel starts washing the oil off your cylinder walls. That oil is what keeps your engine from grinding itself apart. You're literally stripping away its protection. The right move? Start it up, let it idle for about 30 to 60 seconds max, then drive it gently for the first few miles. That's it. The engine warms up faster under light load than just sitting there idling. Mistake number 2 is ignoring your tire pressure. Here's a simple fact most people forget. For every 10 degrees Fahrenheit the temperature drops, your tires lose about 1 psi of pressure. So if you inflated your tires back in October when it was 70 degrees and now it's 20 degrees outside, you could easily be riding around 5 psi low. That's dangerous. Underinflated tires handle worse, wear out faster, and kill your fuel economy. Takes 2 minutes to check. Do it every time the temperature swings hard. Mistake number 3 is using the wrong oil in winter. This one is huge and hugely overlooked. Oil thickens when it gets cold. If you're running a heavy oil, like a straight 10W40, in sub-zero temperatures, that oil moves like cold syrup through your engine on startup. And those first few seconds after a cold start, that's when most of your engine wear happens. Check your owner's manual for the recommended winter viscosity. A lot of modern trucks do great with a 5W30 or even a 0W20 in cold climates. Thinner cold start viscosity means better protection when it matters most. Mistake number 4, and this one's for everyone in the snow belt, is not washing the underside of your truck. Road salt is the silent killer of trucks and SUVs. You can't see it working, but it is. It's eating your frame, your brake lines, your suspension components, your exhaust. That salt spray gets up into every crack and crevice and just sits there, doing damage 24 hours a day. Run your truck through an undercarriage wash at least once a week during heavy salt season. It takes 5 minutes and it could literally save your frame. Once that rust gets into structural components, you're looking at repair bills that'll make your eyes water. Mistake number 5 is skipping the 4-wheel drive check until you actually need it. Think about this. Most people don't engage their 4-wheel drive until they're already stuck in a snowdrift or sliding through an intersection. And that's exactly when they find out it doesn't work. 4-wheel drive systems have seals, fluids, and mechanical components that need regular use and attention. Engage your 4-wheel drive at least once a month during winter, even just for a short drive down an empty road, to keep everything lubricated and moving. And if you haven't had your transfer case fluid checked in a while, get it done. Neglected transfer cases are a shockingly common and shockingly expensive repair. Mistake number 6 is ignoring your battery. Cold weather is a battery killer, plain and simple. A battery that's 2 or 3 years old and works fine in summer can fail completely when it's 15 degrees outside. Cold temperatures reduce a battery's cranking power by up to 35%. If your battery is more than 3 years old, get it tested before winter bites you. Most auto parts stores will test it for free. A new battery costs $150 to $200. a tow truck, and a dead battery stranding you in a parking lot on a cold Tuesday night. That costs you a lot more than money. Mistake number 7 is using regular washer fluid. This sounds small, but trust me, it isn't. If you fill your reservoir with summer formula washer fluid, or worse, water, it will freeze solid, and frozen fluid can crack your reservoir, split your lines, and leave you completely blind on a slushy highway when a truck in front of you kicks up a wall of road muck onto your windshield. Always use winter-rated washer fluid rated for at least -20 degrees Fahrenheit. It's cheap. There's zero reason not to. Mistake number 8 is riding your brakes on icy roads. A lot of drivers, especially newer winter drivers, instinctively mash the brakes when they feel the truck start to slide. That's exactly the wrong move. Slamming the brakes on ice causes your wheels to lock up, which actually makes you slide further and faster. Modern trucks have ABS, anti-lock braking systems. For a reason. Steady, firm pressure lets the ABS do its job and pump the brakes faster than any human can. If you feel your truck sliding, ease off the gas, steer where you want to go, and apply smooth, steady brake pressure. Let the truck systems work for you. Mistake number 9 is letting your gas tank run low. A lot of people have that "I'll fill up when it hits E" habit. In summer, mildly annoying. In winter, it can actually damage your truck. When there's not much fuel in the tank, that empty space fills with condensation. That water can freeze in your fuel lines and mess with your fuel delivery. Beyond that, in a real emergency, a breakdown, a traffic jam on an icy highway, extreme cold, a full tank of gas keeps your heater running and could genuinely keep you safe. Keep it at least half full all winter. Make it a rule. And mistake number 10, the one that ties everything together, is thinking your truck or SUV is invincible just because it's big. This is the most dangerous mistake on the list. Four-wheel drive gets you going, but it does absolutely nothing to help you stop. Every year you see it. Lifted trucks, big SUVs rolling too fast into a turn on ice, not leaving enough following distance, confident because they've got all 4 wheels spinning. And then they're in the ditch. Respect the conditions. Leave more space. Slow down earlier. Your truck size is not a force field. Treat winter driving seriously, and your truck and everyone on the road will make it through the season safely. Alright, that's the 10 mistakes, and now you know what to avoid. The good news is every single one of these is completely preventable. We're talking oil viscosity, tire pressure, washing the undercarriage, a battery test. Simple stuff that takes minutes and saves thousands. Winter doesn't have to destroy your truck. You just have to respect it. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit that thumbs up button right now. It genuinely helps this channel grow and helps us keep making content like this for free. Drop a comment below and tell me which mistake surprised you the most, or tell me what winter car care question you want us to answer next. We read every single comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We've got you covered on everything from seasonal maintenance to long-haul reliability. Hit subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Drive safe out there.